I am going to revise ledger. So we'll do the problem. Journalize the following transaction in the books of Virat Traders. Open the necessary ledger accounts and balance the accounts and prepare a trial balance. Journal, ledger, and trial balance. Okay. So first we will do journal. Journal entries in the books of Virat Traders. In the books of Virat Traders. Virat Traders. So you will get a revision about ledger, depreciation account, machinery account. So that is everything ledger only. So first one, Virat started a business with the cash at the Bank of India, furniture. So what is jewelry? Anila jewelry. 1st March 2019. Started a business with the cash, bank deposit, then furniture.
cash account debtor cash account debtor to bank account debtor and to capital account furniture account debtor to capital account.
Yes. Next one, purchased goods from Rohit worth rupees 10,000 less 10 percentage TD. Anjo, purchased goods from Rohit with 10,000 less 10% TD.
Purchase account debtor to Rohit account discount.
Here TD, trade discount. So any discount? No. Okay. If CD is there, if CD and paid cash to any person, we got a discount that we are trading. That is cash discount. If we received cash, we are giving discount that it will come. But TD means a trade discount. When we purchased goods in bulk quantity, we are getting discount. So there no generally for that discount. We will deduct that amount from MRP list price being purchase goods from Rohit. So 9,000. So 10,000, 10 percentage. So 1,000. So 10,000 minus 1,000. Next, sold goods to Sunil rupees 5,000 less 5% TD. Tomlin. sold goods to Sunil less 5% TD. Sold goods to Sunil rupees 5,000 less 5% TD.
Sales account.
Sold goods to Sunil. Tomly, you tell. Sold goods for cash. What is generally?
Sir, cash account up to sales account.
Yes. Here, instead of which one cash, sold goods to Sunil.
As Sunil account up to
Yes.
sales.
Yes. Sunil account debtor to sales account being sold goods to Sunil. So TD will not come after deducting. So 5,000, 5%. 250. So 4,750. Next 10. Deposited cash with the Bank of India. Deposited cash with the Bank of India. Aditya.
Bank of India accredited.
Bank account to
Cash account.
yes, yes. Bank account to cash account. Bank of India account debtor to cash account being deposited cash into bank. So amount will be 5,000. Next one, purchased furniture from Verma on credit worth rupees 20,000. Purchased furniture from Verma on credit worth rupees 20,000. Anna.
Furniture account debted to Verma.
Yes. Furniture account debtor to Verma account being purchased furniture from Verma. $20,000. Next, paid to Verma by net banking. Net banking means it will credit in their account through bank. Okay. Paid to Verma by net banking. And generally,
Verma account debted to
Verma account to
cash.
no. Net banking means they will credit in their bank account.
Bank.
Okay. Verma account at 2. So our bank is Bank of India. To Bank of India. Otherwise, whenever we are preparing ledger, no, it will confuse. 8,000. If you are writing only bank, also no problem. 8,000. Being paid to Verma through net banking. Suppose if I am transferring amount from my account to your account, means you will account only, you'll get amount. Here means my cash will go. So if a bank is asset, debit only. If you are depositing, if you are paying means Bank of India credit. So Bank of India amount will decrease. Next one, 17. Paid printing expenses. Paid printing expenses. Shubham, paid printing expenses. Paid printing expenses. First, January. Shubham Pal. Printing expenses account to cash. Being paid printing expenses. Being paid printing expenses, 200. Next, 20. Received commission. Received commission. Aparna, received commission.
So cash account debtor to commission account.
Yes, cash account to commission account. Cash account to commission. 200. 200. Being received commission. Withdrew cash from bank. Rupees 1,000 by ATM. Withdrew cash from bank. Anila.
Cash account debtor to bank account.
Yes, cash account to Bank of India. Cash account to Bank of India. Being withdraw from bank. $1,000. Next, 28. Paid to Verma 11,500 in full settlement of his account. Paid to Verma rupees 11,500 in full settlement of his account. So first you have to look before any transaction with Verma. So you look furniture from Verma, 20,000. Okay. Then we paid to Verma 8,000. Okay. Paid to Verma 8,000. Now paid to Verma 11,500 in full settlement. So Karthik, journal entry.
Varma account debtor to cash account to discount.
Yes, Varma account debtor to cash account to discount account. Amount
12,000, 11,500, 500.
yes, 12,000 is the amount. We given 11,500, 500 discount. Being cash paid to Varma and the discount received. Trade discount won't come. If you receive and pay amount, that discount comes. That is CD. Last, paid advertisement, that everyone know. Advertisement account to cash account. Advertisement account debtor to cash account. Advertisement account to cash account. Being paid advertisement. $500. Okay, now journal is over. We will prepare one account. We can prepare. Okay, cash account. First, ledger, cash account. So on the basis of journal, we can prepare, because first entry, cash account debtor, cash at bank account debtor, furniture account to cash. So first we will prepare cash account. Ledger, date, particulars, JF amount, date, particulars, JF amount. Aparna, first entry, where I have to post
Sir,
debit or
debit
credit?
side to
Yes,
Virat capital account.
yes. Amount,
67,000.
no. We are writing, we are preparing cash account. So,
Sir, 50,000.
yes. 1/3/2019 to Virat's capital account. So you have to look at the journal. If cash is debit, debit side you write. Opposite aspects, amount, cash amount. Next, you have to look at second journal entry. No cash, so it will not come. Okay. Then the third, no cash, it will not come. Fourth, cash is there, and where it will come, this entry. Cash is there.
Debit.
Debit. So we are preparing cash account. So in this entry, cash is debit or credit?
Credit.
So credit side, okay. So you have to look at the cash, debit or credit. That side you have to write opposite aspects. 10/3/19 by Bank of India. By Bank of India. Amount 5,000. Amount 5,000. Next. Okay, two entry we wrote. Next, third one. Next entry, no cash, it will not come. Furniture account to Verma, no cash. Next one, Verma account to bank, it will not come. Bank only. Next, printing expense account to cash. Cash is there. Anila, where it will come?
Credit.
Okay. What I have to write?
By printing
Yes. By printing expenses. By printing expenses. By printing expenses, amount 200. So next, received commission. Received commission, cash account to commission. Hanna, where it will come? Yes, debit to commission. Debit to commission. To commission. Amount 200. Next one. Next one, cash account to Bank of India. Cash account to Bank of India. Femina, where it will come? Debit or credit?
Sir, debit.
Yes, 2539 to?
To Bank of India.
Yes, to Bank of India. To Bank of India. Amount it is 1000. Next, next entry, Verma account to cash to discount. Verma account to cash to discount. Anat, where it will come?
By Verma.
Amount. Amount. $12,000 or 11,500. Anat. Anat. Amount. Yes. Yes, 11,500. So 28. 28 March 2019 by Verma. By Verma, cash amount 11,500. Next, last one is paid advertisement. Advertisement account to cash. So cash is credit. So credit side by advertisement. $500. So now balance you have to find. Normally cash account debit balance only 51,200. 51,200. So 31st March closing date by balance CD. Balance amount Balance amount?
34,000.
Yes, 34,000. Now, so you have to look, after that, you have to prepare which one on the base of order. Next, Bank of India account, furniture account, Virat's capital account, then purchase account, Rohit account, Sunil account, sales account, Bank of India already, it is there, cash account already prepared, furniture already prepared, Verma account, Bank of India, okay, printing expense account, commission account, then Verma already, the cash, discount account, advertisement account, okay. So this much account you have to prepare. So next class we will do.